Welcome to the campus of Cedarville University. On this tour, we'll get a bird's eye view of our 780-acre campus to give you a sense of what our campus looks like and how our facilities are arranged. Cedarville, Ohio is situated off of Interstate 70, about 25 miles east of Dayton and about 50 miles west of Columbus. After exiting the highway in Springfield, you'll have a 10-minute drive featuring picturesque farmland that is typical of Southern Ohio. On the north end of campus, you'll find our outdoor athletic and recreation complex featuring a cross-country course, 18-hole disc golf course, softball and baseball fields, a 400-meter track and soccer field, tennis courts, sand volleyball courts, driving range, and putting green. Next, you'll see the majority of our on-campus housing, which includes residence halls and townhouses. Below, you'll see the Recreation Center and Callan Athletic Center. This large facility houses our university medical services, the fitness center, weight rooms, field house, gymnasium, and additional classroom spaces. From here, you can see the heart of the Cedarville campus, Cedar Lake, which is surrounded by many of the university's main buildings. Jutting out into the lake is the Center for Biblical and Theological Studies, which houses all our Bible classes, as well as the Academic Enrichment Center. Right next door is Chick-fil-A, which houses both Chick-fil-A and tossed salads and pizza. Its beautiful view of the lake makes it a perfect spot for students to build meaningful relationships. Across the lake is the Stevens Student Center, which is the hub of campus life. Inside, there's a theater, bookstore, radio station, post office, dining hall, and coffee shop. Heading back around the lake, you'll see the Health Sciences Center, home to our nursing and pharmacy programs. Down the sidewalk is the Engineering and Science Center with classroom and lab space for science, math, and engineering. Behind the Engineering and Science Center, you'll find the Engineering Projects Lab, Chemistry Laboratory Center, and the new Civil Engineering Center. Further south, you'll find the Tyler Digital Communications Center, which includes alumni offices, IT department, the Writing Center, and design labs. In this area, you'll find some of our smaller facilities that are now used for administrative offices. Williams and Patterson Halls are home to offices for education, psychology, English, literature, and modern languages and communications. Below is the History and Government Center and the Center for Teaching and Learning. Founders Hall was the first building to be built on Cedarville's campus. Today it is home to administrative offices, including our university president. Across the street, you'll see Alfred Auditorium, which includes space for the art, design, and theater programs. Down the street toward downtown Cedarville, you'll find the Carnegie Center for the Visual Arts, which houses our drawing and painting studios. As we head back to the lake, we'll pass the Milner Business Administration Building, featuring classrooms, collaboration spaces, and a stock market trading room. We also see the Apple Technology Center, which houses many communications, social work, and education classes, as well as recording studios. We've returned to the lake to see the Centennial Library, a fantastic resource to our students. Our final building is the Dixon Ministry Center, which houses our 3,500-seat Jeremiah Chapel, where students, faculty, and staff gather at 10 a.m. every weekday. On the left side of this building is the Bolthouse Center for Music, and on the right is our Christian Ministries office. To learn more about any of these facilities, take our guided virtual tour at cedarville.edu/virtual tour.